In this video, I want to show you how to use one of my favorite scalping strategy that I use on a daily basis to take at least $50 in the crypto futures market. I'm going to show you how to set up your chart, how to take trades. And if you're a new trader in the futures market, I'm going to share some valuable information with you. So be sure you stay to the end of this video to get every single detail. I'm going to put you through everything you need to do to take your trade in the futures market. But let me put a quick disclaimer before I start making this video. You must couple this strategy with a good money management to be able to be profitable in the futures market. And then if you are a new trader in the futures market, I will recommend that you create a demo account with the link in the description. You create your first account with Bybit, and then you're going to get bonuses for depositing money on Bybit. And then I'll also drop a link in the description that you can use to get $10 airdrop if you have never traded in the derivative market, that is the futures market on Bybit. So go ahead and create your own account on Bybit and then get access to this. And then I've also created a complete course on my YouTube channel on how you can get started in the futures market. You head over to my YouTube channel, and then once you come to playlist, you can see Mastering Binance Futures Trading. I have discussed every single information and detail you will need as a beginner trader in the futures market, and you are going to learn how to trade in the futures market. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how to use this easy to use scalping strategy to pocket at least $50 on a daily basis. So this strategy basically works in the 5 minutes. You can basically trade cryptocurrencies, currencies in the forex market, or even stocks with this same strategy. So let's get into the setup. Now, the first thing you will need is to get a trading view on your device. I'm going to show you how to use the mobile phone. I've also made a video on how to use your desktop. The link to that video is going to be in the description of this video, so check it and then watch it if you are interested in using your desktop. So to get a trading view, all you have to do is to head over to Google Play Store. This is if you are using an Android device, or if you are using an iOS device, you can find it on App Store. So let's get back to our trading view. Once you install trading view, this is exactly what you're going to see. I'm going to put you through how to set it up. You're going to create an account on TradingView for free, and then you're going to have access to every single tool I'm going to show you in this particular video. So let's get into setting up our chart right here. So the first thing to do, once you come here and then you come to menu, you're going to create an account. With that account, you will have access to use this. So you head over to where you see charts right here, or you can come to watch list, and then you select the crypto pair or whatever financial asset you want to use in this particular trading. You simply select BTC USDT. This is what I want to use to show you how to use this strategy. So let's set up our indicators, and then I will show you how to follow the same strategy and make profit in the crypto futures market. So our time frame is 5 minutes, and then let's add our indicator. To add indicator, all you have to do is to come over to this particular icon and click on that. And then the first indicator we're going to add once we click on indicator is to search for stochastic histogram. That is the first indicator we're going to put right here. Stochastic histogram is what we need. So let me just go ahead and put it right here. The stochastic histogram we're going to use is the one created by this guy. The first one, you simply click on that. Now, once you click on that, it is going to be added to your chart. If you go back, you're going to see it. This is it. So we'll just make a little adjustment on this particular indicator. All you have to do is to click on it and then head over to where you see this setting icon. You click on that. And then once we come here, we'll head over to this particular place and click on this and scroll to where we see area and click on area. This will give our indicator more visibility. All we have to do is to click on OK. Now we will have it right here, more visible that anyone can see. The next thing to do is to add the second indicator. And to do that, you head over here and click on that. After clicking, you click on indicators, and then you will search for MACD. That is the next indicator. The first one right here, moving average, convergence and divergence. That's the full meaning of MACD. So we simply click on this. It will be added to our chart. Now we go back to the chart. We're going to see it right here. We will also make some settings and adjustment to this particular indicator. So all we have to do is to click on this particular icon and click on settings. And we start with the inputs. The input for the fast length, we will change this to 34 because that is what we want. And the slow length, we will change it to 144. That is the next thing to do. So we head over to style. After clicking on style, we will uncheck MACD and this particular one. And then we head over right here, click on this and change it to area. After clicking on area, you now click on OK. Now we will have it differently, unlike the one we had at the first time. Now the last one we want to add to our chart is a range filter. Range filter, you simply head over right here again, click on that indicator, you search for range filter. That is the next indicator you want. You now click on filter so that you're going to get it rightly. Now we head over back. Right here you can see that it has been added to our chart. Let's adjust this one so that we will have a bigger view of that particular one. You can scroll down. Once you click on this, you can scroll it down and reduce the size of that. So this is our stochastic histogram and our MACD histogram, and then right here is our chart. So what exactly are we looking for with this particular strategy? Let me show you how this particular strategy works. So we have our stochastic histogram and MACD histogram. This strategy basically works whenever we have a confluence. Now we can see that our indicator has been added, and then this particular indicator range filter only gives you a signal to buy and to sell. Let's check it and see. Right here we can see whenever we see this buy, it means it is a time for us to take a buy, and this is indicated by this middle line. Whenever you see this middle line change red, it means it is a sell indication or a sell signal. And then whenever you see this middle line change green, it means it is a buy signal. Now if you scroll across and then you check the data, you're going to see different signals that are printed with this particular indicator. But using this indicator alone will not give us the perfect entry point or the signal we need. That is why we need to filter it with stochastic histogram and then the MACD histogram. Because some of these signals are actually false. You may take a sell and then it will not work out because we have not filtered it out. So now how do we use this particular indicator to trade? All we need is whenever we see a signal printed from our range filter. For instance, let me take it to where we can see something more visible. Right here we saw a sell signal that has been printed, and then down here we have our stochastic histogram and then MACD histogram. Now we need a confluence. This simply means whenever we see a sell signal right here, we need the same color to be in concert. Right here you can see that it is a red shaded area and here it is a green shaded area, which means this is not a good signal for us to enter. Whenever we see a signal printed and then we have the same color printed for the shaded area, we have red shaded area and we have a red shaded area down here, it means we are okay to take that trade. For instance, right here we see a buy signal that printed and we have a green shaded area. Right here we also have a green shaded area. This is an indication for us to take this buy trade, and then make sure you use a very good money management. Right here when we take our trade, right here our stop loss should be right below the recent low right here, and our take profit should be above this level. Now if you scroll up, you're going to see different data. Right here we saw a sell signal and then we had a red shaded area, red shaded area. We could have taken this trade and then we take our profit down here and our stop loss is above this level. If you scroll up, you're going to see different data that has been printed for us to take trade. Right here we have not seen any trade entry. Right now we saw a sell signal and then we saw a shaded area as red, and then this one is also a shaded area red, which means we are okay to take that trade. If you scroll to this place, you're going to see different signals that you could have entered while trading with this particular strategy. So you're going to check it and then check the data and see. Make sure you try this on a demo account, and make sure whenever you're trading with this strategy, you use a very good money management. Always risk at least 1% or highest 2%. And then when you are using your leverage, make sure you use 3x as the maximum or 2x, so that you will not get liquidated. If you don't know what these terms are, make sure you watch those videos that I've shown you in the playlist to get all the videos. And make sure you also subscribe to my channel to get all the updates from me. So if you scroll around, you can change the crypto pair and try this strategy for yourself. Make sure you try it on demo. And then when you see the profitability, you're going to simply use it on a live account and make profit. So guys, this is all about this video. I don't want it to take long. To get more detail, watch the video I've made on the desktop. It's pretty much easy to use this strategy. And then to create a demo account, use the link in the description. You can get a demo account from Bybit, and you can also create a live account on Bybit. Make sure you do that because Bybit gives you bonuses when you deposit, and then they have a very low trading fee. Guys, thank you for watching this video. See you in another video.